Today, I'll show you how to install apps on your TECNO Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now you can do this either using the Play Store, or if you do not have the Play Store, if you cannot access Play Store, you can use the App Center. So the process will be the same. So simply select Google Play Store and ensure you're signed into your account to be able to access all the apps and install them. Then you want to tap on search down here and search for the app that you want to install. So once you find the app, tap on it, and you can either tap on install from here or expand the app to see what it's about. Then simply tap on install and your app is going to be downloaded and installed to your device. Now your app is going to be downloaded quickly or slowly depending on the speed of your internet connection, but once it's done downloading, it's going to install, and once it installs, if it's a game, you'll see play, or if it's a normal app, you're going to see open. So you can tap on open from here, or you can simply go to your app drawer and find the app that you just downloaded and launch it from there. Now the same process will apply for the App Center. Simply tap on the App Center like that, ensure you're signed into your TECNO ID, and then you want to search for the app that you want to install. And once you find it, simply tap on get, and it's going to be downloaded and installed to your device. But that's basically how to install apps on your TECNO Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.